Okay, so I got a leaking tire right here. I'm going to try to figure out what's wrong with it and why it's leaking. Okay, now I got some soapy water here, and I'm just going to start spraying it around the tire. Well, pretty sure it's safe to say the valve stem's leaking, but I'll keep going. I know there's a little bit of a dent right here. I know it's not the best lighting, but I can see it alright, and it's not doing anything over here. Well, that dent don't look to be doing anything. It's losing about 3 pounds a day, so that would probably be it. Now I'm going to use this to take out the valve stem. I ended up just using the weight of the vehicle to break the bead. Okay, now besides fighting this to come off, well, it may decide to come off this time. Yeah, I'd rather just cut around it. And then fish that out. Okay, now this hole is pretty rusty. I got the old thing out too. I don't think this can be repaired, but I'm going to try anyways. I'm going to take the new one. Just going to squirt a little bit of penetrating oil on it. Try not to drop this one through. Good enough. This one already has a valve stem in it. Alright, let's see if it took. I don't know, I'd probably say it's fixed so far. I'll wait a couple days and let's see how much air it loses.